Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
The aquarium is so peaceful.
Peaceful, yes. But we are stuck here. We need the tram.
Do not be nervous. We have time.
Okay. We have time. Where are the kids?
Wow! Look up! It is a big shadow!
A big shadow? Oh, it is a shark.
A shark! A real shark! A shark? I like my starfish more.
This place is very beautiful.
It is beautiful. But we must walk.
Yes, we must walk. Come on, kids.
I am coming! Wow, look at those fish! Look at those fish! Wait, what is that? A real starfish. It is moving. You are like my toy. We are friends.
Friends, hurry up! The tram leaves soon!
I am hurrying. I want to ride the tram. Ride the tram? No, wait. Do not hide. Mom? Dad? Where are you? I am a little lost. I must stay here. It is safe.
Wait, where is Leo?
Wait, where is Leo? Is he not behind us?
He's gone. He is not behind us. I am nervous.
You are nervous? Do not worry. We will find him.
We will find him? I can help.
Yes, you can help. Let us walk back slowly.
Walk back slowly. Okay, he cannot be far.
Listen to the sound of the water. We are safe.
Leo! Where are you?
Leo! We are here.
Leo, are you hiding? Are you hiding? No, I am here. Dad! Mom, I am by the starfish.
By the starfish. I see you.
You see him? Oh, thank goodness.
We were a little nervous. You are safe.
I am safe. Look, a real starfish.
A real starfish. That is beautiful. Now hold my hand.
Hold my hand? Yes. But look at the time.
The time?
Oh, the tram leaves soon. Let us go.
The tram leaves soon? I will run first.
Run first? No, walk quickly. Stay together.
Oh, it's so sunny outside.
Bright outside, yes. Keep walking, my brave family.
We are a brave family. The wind is nice.
I see the tram. We are not stuck. Look, the doors are still open.
The doors are open. I have the ticket.
Oh no! The tram is moving! We are late!
We are late? Do not panic. It is slow.
It is slow. I can run to it.
Run to it? Mia, wait! Do not fall!
I will not fall. I am very brave. She is brave. She is so fast.
Go, Mia, go! Win the race.
Next stop, the main exit gate.
Excuse me. Over here. Look at me. Please wait for us. Stop the tram.
Oh, a little girl. I see her.
He is stopping. Thank you, thank you.
Come in. It is okay. I will wait.
Mom! Dad! The doors are open! Hurry!
She did it. She stopped the tram.
She is very brave. Let us walk, Leo.
Hello, big tram. We are walking to you.
You are very brave, Mia. I am proud. Welcome. You are safe. Take a seat.
Take a seat, kids. The floor is soft.
Four empty seats. This is perfect for us.
This is perfect. I feel so peaceful now.
Peaceful now. My legs are very happy.
My legs are happy too. I ran fast. Look, Starfish. We are on the big tram.
Next stop, the exit. Enjoy the safe ride.
Enjoy the ride. Look at those beautiful trees.
Beautiful trees, yes. The sky is beautiful too.
Look! A blue bird. It is flying fast.
Oh, it is flying fast. Goodbye, little bluebird.
We had a big adventure today. Do you remember?
I remember. We saw a giant whale first. A giant whale? No, I found a real starfish.
A real starfish? Yes. But you were lost, Leo.
Lost, Leo? Yes, we were a little bit nervous.
A little bit nervous? But then I ran fast.
You ran fast. You stopped the huge tram.
Look at the water. It is very calm now.
Very calm now. The sun is sleeping in the water. The sun is sleeping. I am a little tired too.
A little tired? Rest your eyes. We are safe.
We are safe. We do not need to hurry.
They do not need to hurry. Good family.
Listen to the wheels. Bump, bump. Very relaxing.
Bump, bump. The tram is singing a slow song.
The tram is singing. Look, I see the exit gate.
The exit gate? Are we going home now, Mom?
Going home now?
Yes.
It was a beautiful day.
A beautiful day, yes. Wake up completely, little Leo.
The singing tram is quiet now.
The doors are open. Have a beautiful evening.
Have a beautiful evening. Thank you very much, sir.
Hold my hand tightly, Leo. We will walk out now.
Walk out now? I am ready. Follow me, everyone. Goodbye, soft seat. We are going home.
Follow me carefully. We will step outside. Step down slowly. The wood is solid.
The wood is solid. We are all off the tram.
Look at the sky. The stars are beautiful.
The stars are beautiful. Goodbye, nice tram driver.
Goodbye, big singing tram. Sleep well.
Let us walk to the gate. We are almost home.
We are almost home. I loved the giant whale today. The giant whale? But my real red starfish was better.
Your real red starfish was nice. But I felt nervous.
You felt nervous, yes. But we found him very quickly.
We found him quickly. And I stopped the tram. I was brave.
You were brave, Mia. We are a very safe family.
We had a beautiful day together. Are you ready?
Are we ready? Yes, I am ready to go home. I am ready too. I will hold your hand.
Hold your hand?
Yes, always hold hands in big places.
In big places, yes. And never be afraid to speak loudly.
Speak loudly? Like when I stopped the green tram.
Like when you stopped the green tram, exactly. Good job.
Good job, Mia. I want my warm bed now.
Your warm bed? Let us go. It is time. We are finally going home. Good night, beautiful park.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey. Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.